Hi friends, welcome to another video of cooking stories. Today we will see how to make perfect jeera rice in a quick and easy way. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First we will take around 4 tablespoons of ghee in a cooker. You can also use any oil of your choice. Now add around 4 tablespoons of jeera to it. We will saute them on a medium to low flame until jeera starts popping and begins to smell good. Now we have that nice aroma of jeera, so let's add our rice to it. We have taken 3 cups of rice which is already washed and soaked in water for around 10 minutes. Mix it properly and saute for 5 minutes on a medium flame. It's mixed nicely. So now we will add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix gently. You can add salt as per your taste. Now we will pour around 3.5 cup of hot water to it. Mix it a little bit. Now close the lid and pressure cook for 2 whistles. And our jeera rice is ready to be served.